Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome to Crypto Manias. Today we have some jaw-dropping news that's sending shockwaves through the crypto space. Binance, the titan of cryptocurrency exchanges, has pleaded guilty to money laundering charges, with its founder Changpeng Zhao stepping down as CEO. Can you believe that? Binance. Yeah, stick around as we break down the $4.3 billion penalty, the allegations, and what this means for the crypto community. Alright, so welcome back. Can you believe the world's largest exchange is facing serious charges? How does this impact your trusted cryptocurrency platform? Tell us. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you find this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto updates. Now let's dive into the details. First things first, let's understand why Binance is in hot water. The US Justice Department alleges violations of the Bank Secrecy Act, money flowing to terrorists, cybercriminals, and child abusers. Shocking, right? But that's not all. We've got the founder, CZ, admitting mistakes and stepping down. What led to this dramatic downfall? Let's explore. As we dissect the court documents, we find that Binance failed to implement crucial controls, allowing illegal transactions and profiting from users in sanctioned jurisdictions. CZ's forgiveness over permission approach might have fueled Binance's growth, but at what cost? What does this teach us about the balance between innovation and regulatory compliance? Alright, and you can see people's comments saying thank you for creating Binance, enjoy your break, and thanks for everything, CZ. Prophecy is complete, the new era begins. Well done, thank you for everything. As you can see on Twitter, many people do not seem to be discouraged by this news, and they are instead praising the Binance CEO for taking responsibility and stepping down from his position as CEO, thanking him for what he has built, for all the hard work over the years, for being able to build the biggest crypto exchange in the world. Now, CZ, in announcing, actually said that today I stepped down as CEO of Binance. Admittedly, it was not easy to let go emotionally, but I know it's the right thing to do. I made mistakes and I must take responsibility. This is best for our community, for Binance, and for myself. Richard has been announced as the new CEO of Binance. Richard is actually the former global head of regional markets, okay, and he has been named the new CEO of Binance. CZ actually has a lot of confidence in Richard. Richard is a highly qualified leader with over 3 decades of financial services and regulatory experience. He will navigate the company through its next period of growth. Alright, so what does this mean for you as a crypto enthusiast and investor? How will other exchanges respond to this seismic event? Stick around for crucial insights into navigating the aftermath of Binance's downfall and safeguarding your crypto investment. There you have it, folks, the shocking Binance scandal laid bare. Found this information valuable? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto community, and let's spark a conversation. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. I'm your host signing off for today. Stay crypto savvy. Bye for now.